Have you ever checked your bank account 3 days before payday and thought, where did all my money go? One minute you get paid, the next minute it feels like your money vanished into thin air. Bills, food, subscriptions, random small purchases, and suddenly you're stressed again. But here's the truth. Most people are not broke because they don't make enough money. They're broke because they don't control where their money goes. And today, I'm going to show you a simple budgeting system anyone can follow. No complicated math, no finance degree, just simple logic that actually works. Let's begin. First, you need to know how much money actually comes into your life every month. And I'm not talking about your salary before taxes. I mean your real money, your take-home paycheck, your side hustle income, freelance work, even small extra cash. Everything counts. Write the total number down, because if you don't know how much money you truly have, you cannot build a budget that works. Think of it like driving a car. You can't plan a road trip without knowing how much fuel is in the tank. Now here's the part that shocks most people. For the next 30 days, track every single dollar you spend. Yes, every single one. Big expenses are easy to notice. Rent, electricity, car payments. But the real danger? The small daily spending. The $5 coffee, the late night snacks, the food delivery app, the subscription you forgot existed. Small leaks sink big ships. And most people don't realize their tiny habits are quietly destroying their finances. You may think, it's only $5. But $5 every day becomes $150 a month, $1,800 a year. That's the power of small spending. This step changes everything. Ask yourself one question. Do I need this, or do I just want it? Needs are survival, rent, groceries, electricity, transportation. Wants are lifestyle, fast food, gaming skins, new clothes, Netflix, impulse shopping. And listen carefully. Most people don't fail because of their needs. They fail because too many wants start pretending to be needs. That's where money disappears. Be honest with yourself, because budgeting only works when you tell yourself the truth. Now let's make budgeting simple. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or debt payments. That's it. Simple. If you make $1,000 a month, $500 goes to needs, $300 goes to wants, $200 goes to savings. No complicated spreadsheets, no stressful calculations. Just a clear system. And systems create results. Here's the habit that changes people's lives. Before you pay bills, before shopping, before entertainment, pay yourself first. The moment you get paid, move money into savings immediately, even if it's only 5%. Because building wealth is not about being rich overnight. It's about building strong habits over time. And the people who become financially stable are usually not the smartest people. They're simply the most consistent. Remember this. Budgeting is not about restricting your life. It's about taking control of your future. Your money should work for you, not disappear without explanation. And the good news? You can start today, right now. So before you leave, I want you to answer one question in the comments. What is one unnecessary expense you're going to cut this month? And if you want more simple money advice that actually makes sense, subscribe to MoneyWise Journey, because small money habits create big life changes.